Hey guys, you can now talk to Alter from Discord while it runs on your Mac. Check this out. Hey Alter, somewhere in my downloads folder, there's an Airbnb booking for the holiday I'm taking with my friends next week. Can you find the file and share it here? So Discord is sending the voice note to Alter, and Alter is using the voice processor configured on your Mac to transcribe the message. And the transcriptions becomes the prompt. Now, Alter needs access to my download folders. Instead of stopping the actions and forcing me to go back to my Mac, Alter sends the questions directly to Discord. I can see the available options here as buttons, so I can review the questions and answer it from my phone. I'm going to allow Alter to access my downloads folder. Cool. And the actions continues running on my Mac. And there it is. Alter searched through my downloads folder, found the actual Airbnb booking for my holiday next week, and as you can see, it's been able to send it to me to Discord. And look, this is the real booking, and it's super exciting. I mean, you've been a lot to ask for a way to use Alter on your phone, and this is a great way to achieve that. And you know what? Your Mac can be locked, closed, and it will still work if you enable the right settings. And talking about settings, let me show you how to set this up for yourself. The feature that makes this possible is called gateways. Gateways let you talk to Alter from Discord or Telegram today. In this video, I'm focusing on Discord, but the main idea is the same on both platforms. A gateway is a connection between a messaging platform and Alter running on your Mac. The message starts in Discord, but the conversation, action, and tools are all handled by Alter. Gateway conversations are also stored on your Mac alongside your other Alter conversations, so you will be able to find everything in your history. Also, one quick naming clarification before we go into the settings. Gateway are not the same thing as the API gateway inside Alter's router settings. The API gateway is an OpenAI compatible HTTP endpoint to use with third-party tools that needs large language models. The gateways we are talking about today is a way to connect Discord and Telegram through their bot connections. Before connecting Discord to Alter, you'll need to create a Discord application and bot. I invite you to follow our docs at docs.alterhq.com. The links are in the description. I've already prepared mine so we can focus on the Alter setup. So inside Alter, open the settings, go to Gateways, and then you can add a new gateway here, Discord or Telegram. Let's check one I have already configured. So this is where you can connect one or more Discord or Telegram accounts. You can also create multiple gateway instances. So for example, you could have one Discord bot for a team server, another one for personal use, and another one for Telegram. Each gateway has its own name, token, default action, and access controls that you can find here. So first, give it a name, and next you'll be able to pass your bot token here, which will be saved in the macOS keychain for security. You can put a server ID, which is optional, but it's better for safety if you want your bot to be only accessible for you. And if your server is used by many people, you can also allow only some people to use it. All right. By default, all the gateways are using the Ask Anything default action, but you can choose another one, and you can create a custom one. Another interesting feature is starting discussion in threads in Discord. It's really nice, in my opinion, and it's the default setup for Alter. Each time you start a new conversation in a channel, for example, the general channel, it will start a thread which is like a conversation in Alter, so one-to-one. So this is it for configuring a gateway. You have the docs available on Alter, like I said, with the full setup guide to help you connect Alter to Discord or Telegram. You can find it here in Apps and Tools. Telegram is also an option, and it works just as well as Discord. Once it's done, you have an option which is very important if you want your gateway to be always available when your laptop is closed. So this option here, you'll need to enable it if you want to be able to close your laptop, for example, and go away. That way, the gateway is always up and ready for you to be used on your phone. There's some options, especially it will stop if you are on a low battery. There is one additional step if you want to use a custom action through Discord. Let's open Discord again. As you can see here, I have some custom actions enabled for this gateway. It means the gateway is allowed to call these actions. On Discord, you can type /actions to get a list and quick buttons to use them. Now, let's open the action editor, and I'll go directly to this one. I'm going to the gateways section, and this is where we can choose to make the action allowed or not for the platform. By default, it's local only. So you have the power to decide which actions are available on each platform, which is very important. And this is it. It's the gateway system. It lets you talk to Arthur from Discord or Telegram while Arthur is running locally on your Mac. You can send text messages, record voice notes, answer follow-up questions with interactive buttons. You can send and receive files created by Arthur or being on your computer. You can run your existing actions and tools. There's basically no limit to what you can do.